Papaya, often called the fruit of angels, is one of the most nutritious tropical fruits in the world. Its sweet flavor, vibrant color, and soft texture make it both delicious and beneficial for health. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, papaya offers a wide range of benefits for the body, from improving digestion to boosting immunity and keeping the skin youthful. Eating papaya every day can be one of the simplest yet most effective ways to maintain overall health and wellness naturally. One of the most well-known benefits of papaya is its ability to improve digestion. The fruit contains an enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins into smaller, easily digestible molecules. This makes papaya an excellent natural remedy for indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Regular consumption of papaya promotes smooth bowel movements and keeps the digestive system healthy. It also helps cleanse the intestines by removing toxins, reducing the risk of colon problems, and promoting better nutrient absorption. Papaya is also an excellent source of vitamin C, providing more than the daily recommended intake in a single serving. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight off infections. It also protects cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging and chronic diseases. Eating papaya daily supports a stronger immune response and helps the body recover faster from illnesses such as colds and flu. In addition to vitamin C, papaya is rich in vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining good vision and healthy skin. Vitamin A helps protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and improves night vision. It also supports the production of healthy skin cells and reduces dryness and dullness. People who eat papaya regularly often notice a natural glow in their skin due to its high antioxidant and nutrient content. Another reason to include papaya in your daily diet is its ability to promote heart health. The fruit contains fiber, potassium, and antioxidants that all contribute to a healthy cardiovascular system. Fiber helps reduce cholesterol levels by binding to excess fats and removing them from the body. Potassium helps maintain normal blood pressure by balancing sodium levels. Antioxidants like beta-carotene and lycopene protect the heart from oxidative damage. Together, these nutrients help lower the risk of heart disease and improve overall heart function. Papaya is also known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation in the body can lead to diseases such as arthritis, diabetes, and heart problems. The enzymes papain and chymopapain found in papaya help reduce inflammation and pain in the body. This makes papaya a natural food for people suffering from joint pain or muscle stiffness. Eating papaya daily can help reduce discomfort and promote better mobility over time. For those looking to maintain a healthy weight, papaya is an excellent choice. It is low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with water, making it both filling and hydrating. Eating papaya as a snack or breakfast option helps control appetite and prevents overeating. The fiber in papaya aids digestion and promotes satiety, while its natural sweetness satisfies cravings for sugary snacks. Adding papaya to your diet can therefore support healthy weight management without compromising on taste or nutrition. Papaya also has remarkable benefits for skin health. It is often used in beauty treatments and skincare products because of its natural enzymes and antioxidants. The enzyme papain helps remove dead skin cells, making the skin soft and smooth. Vitamin C supports collagen production, which keeps the skin firm and youthful. Regular consumption of papaya helps reduce acne, dark spots, and pigmentation, resulting in clearer and brighter skin. Applying mashed papaya directly to the skin as a natural mask can also enhance its glow and texture. Another important benefit of papaya is its potential to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. The antioxidants in papaya, particularly lycopene and beta-carotene, help neutralize free radicals that can damage cells and lead to cancerous growths. Studies suggest that papaya may help protect against cancers of the colon, prostate, and cervix. The high fiber content also aids in the elimination of harmful toxins from the digestive tract, reducing the risk of colon cancer. Including papaya regularly in your diet provides natural protection against such diseases. Papaya is also beneficial for diabetic individuals. Despite its sweetness, the fruit has a low glycemic index, meaning it does not cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Its fiber content helps regulate blood glucose and insulin levels. Eating papaya in moderate portions can help diabetics satisfy their sweet cravings while maintaining stable blood sugar. However, it is always advisable to consult a doctor about portion size for individual dietary needs. The fruit also supports liver health. Papaya helps detoxify the liver by aiding in the breakdown and removal of harmful toxins. The enzymes and antioxidants in papaya promote proper liver function and protect it from oxidative stress. For people with liver-related issues or those who want to maintain a healthy liver, including papaya daily can be very beneficial. Papaya seeds, though often discarded, are also extremely nutritious. They have antibacterial and antiparasitic properties that help eliminate intestinal worms and other harmful microbes from the body. The seeds also support liver cleansing and aid in digestion. However, they should be eaten in small quantities, as excessive consumption can be too strong for the stomach. Papaya also promotes healthy hair growth. The vitamin A and C in papaya nourish hair follicles and strengthen the roots, reducing hair fall. The fruit's rich enzyme content helps remove excess oil and dirt from the scalp, keeping it clean and healthy. Eating papaya regularly or using papaya-based hair masks can make the hair shinier, stronger, and more manageable. In addition to its health benefits, papaya is also one of the easiest fruits to include in your diet. It can be eaten fresh, blended into smoothies, or added to fruit salads. You can also use it in desserts, juices, or even savory dishes. Eating papaya on an empty stomach in the morning enhances its cleansing and digestive benefits. In conclusion, eating papaya every day is an excellent habit for promoting overall health and well-being. This tropical fruit offers a wide range of nutrients, antioxidants, and enzymes that support digestion, boost immunity, protect the heart, enhance skin and hair health, and even help prevent certain diseases. Whether you enjoy it as a snack, breakfast fruit, or part of your meal, papaya is one of nature's most complete and healing foods. Making it a daily part of your diet is a simple step toward a healthier, more energetic, and youthful life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Food Nutrition for more informative videos about fruits and health.